Struggling to dial in that perfect shutter speed on your Canon Eos Rp? Let's fix that and unlock crystal clear motion or dramatic blur. First, ensure your Eos Rp set to manual mode, indicated by an M on the mode dial. This gives you complete control. To adjust shutter speed, locate the main dial, usually found on the back of the camera. Rotate this dial to change the shutter speed value displayed on your screen. See that number changing? That's your shutter speed. Faster speeds, like 1/1000th of a second or faster, freeze motion, perfect for sports or fast-moving subjects. Slower speeds, such as 1/30th of a second or below, will introduce motion blur, creating artistic streaks with moving elements. If adjusting the shutter speed is affecting your overall exposure and making the image too dark or too bright, you'll need to adjust your aperture or ISO accordingly. Look for the exposure compensation button, often marked with a plus. You can use this to fine-tune your exposure when in semi-automatic modes. If you're encountering issues where you can't change the shutter speed, check if your camera is in a creative auto or program mode, which limit manual control. Also, ensure your lens is properly mounted and recognized by the camera body. A common troubleshooting step is to try removing and reinserting the battery. This can sometimes reset minor glitches affecting button responsiveness. By mastering shutter speed on your Canon Eos Rp, you're one step closer to capturing exactly the look you envision. From sharp details to dreamy blurs, now go out there and shoot.